Kung pagod ka na sa sirang boxes o tumatanggal na tape, transparent stretch film na ang sagot. Ito yung secret ng mga smart packers at business owners na gusto ng secure at professional looking parcels. Super stretchable, hindi madaling mapunit. Protects your item from dust, dirt, and moisture. It keeps boxes tightly sealed and organized. Crystal clear, kita pa rin ang label at product. Cost efficient, tipid sa tape at hassle-free gamitin. Perfect para sa online sellers, warehouse staff, movers, at business owners na gustong siguraduhin na safe ang items hanggang sa delivery. High quality, durable, and clingy transparent stretch film para sa packaging na safe, neat, at pang-professional ang dating. Huwag nang hintayin masira ang next shipment mo. Secure every pack with transparent stretch film. Bilis limited stocks lang.